Good morning, everyone. This is Sonia with Carolina Georgia Mix. I'm in my local Tractor Supply, and I saw this, so I decided to go ahead and record it so you guys can see. I'm here in Douglasville, Georgia. So, yeah, they have a pressure cannon and cooker. 16 quart at $109. Vacuum seal bags and everything. What's the price on that? $24. Then they actually have the extra machine. So just wanted to share what was in my local Tractor Supply store. I'm coming here for chicken feed, so I'm gonna pause this video and go on over to the chicken feed department. But I just wanted to share this with everyone. Okay, I'm over here where the chicken feed is at, and this is what I used to feed them when they were small, little baby chicks. But now that they've gotten bigger, I feed them this one right here, the actual pellets. So I'm about to get 2 bags of this, and the layer pellets, $15.59, and the 40 pound bags are $11.99. So I'm about to go ahead and grab 2 of these bags right here, and it should last me for a while. Okay, they have this smaller bag of the oyster shells that we like to feed them. So they have the smaller bag, and then they have the chick grit too for the beginning chick grits for oyster shells. So I'm gonna grab a small bag of this and mix it in with the food for the chicks. Okay, and I think that's gonna be about it for today. So the oyster shell and the chick grit. Then they have a bigger bag over here, which I think I'll get next time. I think it's the $12.99 bag. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the bigger bag, so I don't have to come back no time soon. So I'm gonna get the bigger bag, save me a trip. Well, okay, you guys, thank you for shopping with me today as I look for my chicken feed stuff.